So I am at the Ellerslie Palms Motel. I made it here. Um, yeah. Anyway, here's a little room tour. So that's the door you enter. There's a little window there looking at someone's room. I decided to shut it because I just don't feel that great having the curtains wide open. There's a little closet. I don't know what's in there. And we have two twin beds. And right here is where my luggage is, and a chair that I was sitting on. And oh, so we have an ironing board, a safe, and an iron, and the closet with some extra pillows. And over there we have a TV, a table and chairs, and a little mini fridge with a selection of teas, some glasses and mugs, and a microwave. And let's see, we do have some silverware, little kitchen utensils, and then the bathroom. Hi. And we have a toilet, a shower, which doesn't look too bad, and some towels, a trash can. Oh, they left trash there. That's not great. I mean, some hand towels, a little soap and stuff with a hand cream and a hand wash. It's not good that they left trash there. Oh well. Yeah, this place is kind of in the middle of a highway, and location wise it's not that great. I mean, it's great. It's easy to get on the highway, but it's probably not my first pick. The last place I stayed at when I went on another work trip was much nicer, but also more expensive. So, well, this will do for the next 4 nights. First night in this hotel, and I heard a bunch of men making some noises last night, and yeah, it was really awkward because it was that guy who came out of the shower with only a towel and just kind of went out to the hallway. And yeah, they were pretty loud, so I definitely shut all the curtains and locked the door. But yeah, I think I slept alright. I kind of woke up at 3 a.m. just because I don't sleep that well sometimes. And yeah, the shower was great, except that it started leaking outside of the shower stall, but well, it's part of it. Yeah, it has everything you need, and I don't know if I'll come back here alone, but I might come back here with Brian if we're on a budget, but it's not even that cheap. Alright, I am back now, and I also wanted to add that that hotel smelled a lot like cigarette smoke, and the guests were all smoking all the time, so I actually would not go back. And then on the third night, I heard noises in the middle of the night, and guests were just running around the hall, and yeah, running back and forth and making a lot of noises. So, not to fault the hotel itself, but they need to manage their guests better.